Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about XRP and picking up where we left off in the previous XRP video. Now, this video is going to be a bit bearish, and it's not intended to be, as you guys know. I'm not bearish on XRP, but the technicals are bearish, and that's what we need to understand here. When we look at how things have been playing out, things were looking really nice with XRP. Obviously, we're really waiting out to find out what the news would be about the SEC versus Ripple, and really there really hasn't been much news with that here recently. So this whole FTX situation, this has really ended up taking the price of XRP down significantly, and even taking it down pretty much within our previous 52-week low that we had back in the middle of June. So in this case, since we did drop to that level, and I'm saying that was within a wave 3 that we had to the downside. Now, if you guys have been watching, I was also saying that we'd go up within a wave 4, and I'd say to go somewhere within that range of that 618 Fibonacci level, which is exactly where it did end up going. And so now what we're seeing is we're going to be most likely going down one more time within that wave 5, and we will catch a new bottom, a new 52-week low, in my opinion. And I don't mean that, like I said, I don't mean to sound bearish, but that's just the way that the technicals look right now. And I'm saying that because if we look at the wave 4, we can see the distance between the wave 4 and the wave 1. The wave 4 never surpasses the wave 1. And if we were to say that this is a wave 4, then we would still expect that wave 5 to be coming in, and that would take us down lower than the wave 3. And the wave 3 is pretty much right there at that 52-week low. So there's one more move to the downside with XRP. I mean, things could change. There could be some sort of sudden news, but then at the same time, what condition would that be for the psychology of XRP here? Because that's what we really base these technicals off of. We base these technicals off of the psychology of the way that the market is moving. Right now, the market is not in a good place. The market's in a bad place. Everybody's very, very bearish on crypto. And because of that whole situation, that's what's really affecting XRP right now, because now there's this added fear that maybe things with XRP might not be going that well due to the fact that the whole situation with FTX, how that ended up creating like this gray area for all of crypto, and the outcome with that news and how that's going to impact crypto in the long run. What is that going to do with XRP and their lawsuit with the SEC? So there's a lot of things that are currently up in the air and a lot of extra added fear. And that's why I think that the possibility of seeing this wave 5 come down and take it to a price that could be somewhere within the range of, say, around 24 cents is a possibility. So that's a little bit lower, of course, where we're at within our previous 52-week low. That was around the price of 28 cents. So this is a bit lower than that, is what I'm thinking that we're going to be going to. And the reason I think that is when we look at the Fibonacci retracement here. If we look at where we're at within the waves 1 to the wave 3, if we were to take this and we were to drag this down to our wave 4, then what we have to expect is that it's going to be at least 1 or 2 Fibonacci levels lower than the wave 3 for the wave 5. And what we would look at is that possibility of it being somewhere that could be within the price of 26 cents is a possibility, or within the price around 23 cents is a possibility. I think that that's very likely that we could be seeing that happen. And that's just due to the whole way that the market is moving right now. The psychology of it at this moment is just not in a very good spot. Now, I could also have a different theory here, and that would be if we were instead seeing this price movement here and call it something else. If we were not to say that it would be coming down within the wave 5, we can also still go with a possible wave A, B, and then C, and then we can have a move to the upside that would happen afterwards. But still, I'm not confident that that is the case. I'm more confident that we haven't seen the bottom yet, and there's still that one more leg down for XRP. So anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. Do you guys think that that is the case? Do you think that we are going to be seeing the price of XRP coming down one more time? I would like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day and many other altcoins as well. Thank you for watching and listening. See you next one.